Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? Students, I hope you all are doing well and you all are watching my video lessons regularly. Yes students? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video session, you have to do three things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. So students, the second part of the story reveals the confusion of the narrator as the door frames were getting misplaced, right? By now, you all know that the narrator was unable to understand that who was stealing these door frames, right? So after discussing everything with the host, what did the host suggest him? The host suggested that he should himself lock the doors now, right? So after discussing everything, the narrator decides that he will himself go and check the doors. Okay, so now let's understand what happened next. So students, now the narrator and his friends, they decided that they will go and they will lock the door, right? So the narrator and his friends got excited to meet Mr. Ghost. Okay, they wanted to see that was there actually any ghost inside that room. So they were excited to meet Mr. Ghost and they wanted to solve this hidden mystery, right? So now the narrator along with his friends went to that room to investigate Mr. Ghost, right? But after that, what happened? They couldn't find any ghost there. Okay, and they started making fun of that situation. One of the friends said, he has gone out for his morning routine. Okay, so like this, they started mocking on the ghost. Okay, so now the narrator said, we investigated all the doors and the window of that room. There was nothing extraordinary about them. So now what was happening? They went there to investigate that what was the actual situation. Okay. And then what did he discover? He discovered that they looked at the haunted door which had become loose by being kept open for 15 years. Okay. And then the door had two very strong bolts on the inside, but the lower bolt would not go within 3 inches of its socket. The upper one was very loose. Okay, so the upper bolt was becoming loose, and this is the reason that why every time it used to get opened. Okay, students, the narrator and his friends bolted the door, and how they bolted it? They bolted by hammering it with a brick. And what does it show? Students, this shows how much strength it required to drive the bolt in about an inch and a half, right? So, successfully with the help of his friends, he bolted the door. Okay. Then they closed the window and other door and securely locked the last so that no human being could open the haunted door. And after that, they examined both the doors once more. Okay, and what happened after that? Now they were very confident that nobody can open the door. Okay, so what happened the next morning? So, students, the next morning they didn't go out for fishing. Rather, where did they go? They went to examine the haunted door, right? So, after examining this, the narrator was quite surprised. And now, why he was surprised? Because the narrator discovered that all the windows and doors were securely locked, but then also the door got opened. So now the narrator was quite confused. Okay, he was feeling helpless. He narrated all this story to the host, but then also nobody could understand the reason. Okay, that why this was happening. So, students, towards the last, the narrator said a dialogue which is very important. I'm not sure that the mystery will ever be solved. It means the mystery remained unsolved in the story. Are you understanding this? So we can very clearly say that this story is open-ended. We don't know what happened at the end. Okay? We don't know whether there was any guest or who has stolen these door frames. So the story remains a mystery. Okay? So students, at the end we see that nobody can solve this mystery, right? Our questions remain questions because we really don't know what will be the correct answer for these questions. We might have so many questions in our mind that who was doing all these things? Okay, who's the real culprit in the story? Whether there was any ghost, whether there were servants, whether the host was involved, or the narrator was himself involved in all these activities. So the chapter is open-ended, so the story remains a mystery. Okay, I hope you have understood all these parts very clearly. So students, listen to the video lecture carefully and make sure that you complete all your work in your English Fair register. Okay. So students, here I would like to inform you all that we have successfully completed the story, right? We have completed this chapter. We have discussed every part of the story. So now in the next video lesson, I'll be discussing the question answers which are given at the back of your book, right? So please make sure that you will also try to solve these questions by yourself, okay? Meanwhile, I'll be discussing and I'll be providing you the solution for these questions, okay? So students, read the chapter thoroughly and please make sure that you have to complete all your notes in your English Fair register, okay? So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you take care of yourselves and you keep on completing your work. And yes students, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, bye-bye. Take care.